Six on.
Hey Stitch, and welcome back to another entrepreneur video. So today I'm actually going to be sharing some of my current Amazon favorites for business, for your business. If you're a business owner, if you're an entrepreneur, if you're a girl boss, then this video is for you. I made one of these maybe like a year ago, and you guys really seem to like that video. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing some of the products that I didn't actually mention in my first Amazon business video, along with some new products that I recently picked up. So if you guys are interested in seeing some of my current Amazon business faves, then please keep on watching. If you're new here, make sure you hit that red subscribe button down below. We're on the road to 6K. We need you to help us get there. And if you enjoy videos like this, then don't head out before leaving your girl a big thumbs up. And if you have any questions, any comments about anything that I discussed in today's video, then don't be afraid to leave it down below. And without any further ado, let's go ahead and get into today's video. So if you're new here, I do own Capra NYC. I'm also the owner of The Stitch Life, which is what you're watching today. Capra NYC is my quality mink lash business. But real quick, if you were interested in this look, I do have a video showing you guys how I completed this entire look. So I'll go ahead and plug that up above. The lashes that I'm wearing today are from my business, period. These are the Stitch lashes. So all the products that I mentioned today will be linked down below in the description box, and I'll also have it down below in my Amazon shop under the entrepreneur folder. I do also want to let you guys know that I do earn a small coin if you make any purchase through these links via Amazon. So let's dive into the very first item that I think you need for your business if you're an entrepreneur, if you're a girl boss. The very first item is actually a product that I've had for maybe a month now, and it is a laptop desk, a laptop desk for your bed specifically. When I tell y'all, 99% of the time when I'm doing work in my bed. Like, my bed is my desk. My desk is my bed, okay? So I'm always in my bed editing videos. I'm always in my bed working on my website. I'm always in my bed writing my blog posts, which I actually need to get on. I need to drop my blog post for the month of May. But I'm always working from my bed, or I'm working from a couch. And I do have mild scoliosis, so my posture is already kind of off. But I feel like when I'm in my bed, I'm hunched over and I'm just messing my posture even more. So one of the things that I told myself I needed was a laptop desk for my bed, and I finally went ahead and purchased one on Amazon. Now this laptop desk is way too big for me to pick up and show you guys on camera, so I'm just gonna go ahead and insert a picture right here. But this laptop desk can hold, well, my laptop is I think a 13-inch or 12-inch MacBook, but I'm pretty sure that it can hold a laptop that's up to 17, maybe even 20 inches. It also has a tablet holder on there, so if you have an iPad and you are usually using your laptop and your iPad at the same time, then you can definitely put your iPad on the desk as well. It also has a tray which comes in clutch because I'm always writing in my journals in the morning on my laptop bed desk, so that comes in handy because I like to use a lot of pens, so I like to just keep things colorful. So I love the fact that it has a little tray that you can place your pens in. You can even put chargers in there, so I feel like that comes in really handy. And it also has a cute little pen holder. I just keep my pens in the drawer, but you can definitely put your pen in the little pen holder that it has as well. This desk has saved my life. I also like the fact that it collapses, so you can definitely fold the two legs and just place it right in your bed instead of having it up in position all the time. Did I say that this bed desk also has a cup holder? Yes, I'm always drinking tea, or I'll definitely make myself a smoothie before, getting started. So I like the fact that there's a little cup holder on this bed desk as well, because again, I'm working from my bed and I get to, keep myself hydrated, drink some tea, maybe even have a smoothie. So that's a huge plus for me. The next thing that I've been loving is this SD card reader for your iPhone, for your phone. I'm not sure if they have ones for an Android, but you could definitely check on Amazon for that. I do have a iPhone 11 Pro. So a lot of times when I'm taking product shots, I'm using one of my cameras to take my product shots. And even though my camera does have Wi-Fi, sometimes I feel like it takes a little bit too long for you to wait for the pictures to export to your phone. So I've been using this. I initially bought this for vacation, but it's been coming in handy AF because as of late I've been taking pictures on my camera. The one that I'm recording this video on right now, I'm recording it on my Canon 80D. And after taking product shots for my business, half the time I'm outside, girl, sitting in the heat trying to get these shots. So by the time I come back inside, I'll just go ahead and take the SD card out of the camera, insert it in here, plug it into my phone, and all the pictures scan automatically. Then I'm able to import everything and save it on my phone. So it can definitely speed up the process just a little bit with this little cute device right here. And this SD card reader to iPhone reader also allows you to insert a micro SD chip in here as well. So if you're one of those business owners that takes your own pictures like I do, and you don't maybe have a camera that has Wi-Fi, definitely get one of these bad boys. You don't even have to use Wi-Fi, girl. I put you on. You're welcome. You're welcome. The next thing that I'm obsessed with, I haven't used it in a while because again, I've been taking a lot of my pictures outside as of late, but one product that I was obsessed with all winter was my light box. And this light box is not even $20, y'all, but it's honestly the truth. Let me just double check the price real quick before I stare y'all wrong. Let's see, we're on Amazon. Yes, it's $17.99 right now on Amazon. I purchased this last year, I want to say, and I was using it basically all winter because I didn't want to go outside and take pictures. It was just way too cold in New York for me to go outside and take pictures. And I'm going to also put a picture up on the screen showing you guys what the light box looks like, because it's also an item that you have to kind of set up and break down, and I usually break mine down once I'm finished using it because again, I have a small room in New York. I don't have the space to keep things up and running. So this light box is clutch. I feel like it gets the job done, especially if you have a ring light already. You can use that as another source of light, but this works great on its own even if you don't have a ring light. So if you've been wanting to take some product shots, you don't know what to use to take product shots, I highly recommend you guys pick up this light box. It's great for influencers as well. If you want to, you know, take cute little pictures of like skincare, or you want to take cute pictures of like your lip gloss or whatever, this is a great item for you to have, a great item for you to own. It also comes with these backgrounds that you can put inside to change things up a bit. So instead of using a white background, you can apply the blue background, or you can use your own pieces of paper and put it in the light box to get whatever background you would like to have on your pictures. It has 20 LED lights at the top, so I definitely think you guys should check this one out if you don't have a light box, or if you've been wanting to take your own pictures. This is a great investment, and it's only $17.99. Next up is this stylus pen. I feel like I may have spoken about the stylus pen before, but if I did, then you're gonna hear about it again today because it's that good. I really love this stylus pen as well, and it is rose gold, beautiful. My MacBook is actually rose gold as well, so I like the fact that it matches with my MacBook. But I love using the stylus pen just to maneuver through apps on my phone, but I also really like it to curate stories on my Instagram feed, y'all. I find that it could be very hard because I kind of have some fat fingers to, you know, write words and stuff on my Instagram stories. This makes it so much easier, you guys. So this morning I made a reel for some skincare, right? So say I wanted to write best skin ever or something like that. I don't know if you guys could see. Can y'all see? Okay, I think you guys can see. I don't know if I could see. Okay. Ever. Best skin ever. Obviously I would have written this a lot more neater if, you know, I were really taking my time to do it, but I'm just trying to show you guys how easy it is to write with this stylus. It's honestly one of my favorite little tools because I like to, you know, fancy up my stories just a little bit, and this makes it so much easier to do so compared to like my fat fingers. So definitely get your hands on a stylus if you don't already have one, and if you have an iPad or a tablet, this would be a great item for you to own as well, because you can pretty much use this on any touchscreen device. And they also come in a few different colors, so if you don't want the rose gold, I believe they have a silver and a few other colors, so definitely check them out. This is actually my second time buying this stylus. If I bought it more than once, then I really like it. I lost my first one probably in Jamaica, so I went ahead and purchased another one, and I love it. I think you will love it as well, so make sure you guys pick up a stylus. Next on my list are stickers, okay? I love stickers. I like sending out my packages with stickers, so I figured I'd share some stickers that I use that I really like. The first one are these heart stickers. I like putting these on my packages whenever I send out an order. At first I was using 2, but then I started adding another sticker to my package that I'll show you guys shortly. So I dropped it down to 1. I only add 1 heart sticker nowadays to my packages, but I feel like stickers really just help to spice up your package. I feel like it makes the customer smile. At least I smile whenever I see stickers in packages or stickers in orders. So the first one is this heart. This heart for me, it just lets my customers know that I'm thankful for them. So I always add a heart sticker to all of my orders. I also put fragile stickers on my package. Not all of my packages, just the packages that have a mirror in there. So whenever I'm shipping out a cutie mirror, I'll go ahead and put a fragile sticker on the package because I want to let UPS know that something in here is fragile. I don't want y'all to be throwing my packages all about in the bus, okay, all about in the truck. Make sure you guys handle it with care. So I always put fragile stickers on my orders that contain items that can definitely break, and after seeing this I would hope that you handle the package with care. I haven't received any complaints from any of my customers saying that anything has broken in their package, so I'm assuming that these are working. So if you sell something that's very fragile or can possibly break or can be bent, definitely put a fragile sticker on your packages. That will definitely, you know, serve as a red flag to the delivery carrier and let them know, listen, handle my stuff with care, okay? Thank you. And the last stickers that I've been adding to my package are these really cute ones. I just love these stickers. I love the heart sticker, and I like this sticker as well. This one says pretty things inside, and it has hearts all over it. Can y'all see it? Super cute. So I've been adding one of these to my packages along with the heart stickers to my packages, and these are a little bit bigger. When your package arrives at your door, you're like, okay, yes, we already know what's inside. Something cute. Okay, you don't have to wonder who is this from. It's from Capra NYC. Okay, period. I got all of these again on Amazon. And the last thing that I want to let you guys know about are these cards. So my brand colors are pink, purple, black, white, and silver. And a lot of my packaging is purple and black, and the lettering is usually pink. So I went ahead and picked up these cards from Amazon. This is the actual card, and this is the envelope. So along with the thank you cards that I designed myself, I like to go ahead and handwrite a personal thank you card in every single package, just because I like to talk to my customers. So I've been using these as of late. This is my second time actually ordering these cards, and I really like how the cards don't feel cheap at all. I like the fact that the inside of the card is purple as well, it's not white, and I like that we have a matching envelope that goes with the card. So I've really been loving these. I feel like my customers have been loving my thank you cards as well, my handwritten thank you cards. They have a few other color options on Amazon as well, but again, purple is one of my brand colors, so I've been using the purple cards. So yeah, those are all of my recent Amazon business favorites that I wanted to share with you guys. I hope you guys really enjoyed today's video. Don't forget that all the products that I mentioned today will be listed down below in my Amazon shop, all under my entrepreneur category. I even list out the links for you guys in the description box, just so it makes it easier for you guys, but I'll also have them in that folder on my Amazon shop, so make sure you guys check those links out down below. If you guys really enjoyed today's video, don't head out before leaving your girl a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe down below. Make sure you subscribe down below if you haven't already, and be sure to also turn on your post notifications so that way you're alerted whenever I upload the next video. Thank you a ton for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys all in my next one. Bye guys. Can y'all see it? Can y'all see? So some of my current, so today I'm going to be sure, and don't be afraid, then don't believe, then in my last Amazon, this is what it's like recording in New York. What was the last one I said?